Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add a new menu. To add a new menu you have to go to appearance, then menus, and here currently we don't have any menu, so you have to give your menu a name. So let's just say new menu and click on this create menu. What this will do, this will create a new menu for us. So here you can add anything that is here. So we have pages, posts, we can add custom links and categories. So currently I don't have anything. We just have two posts. So I can add those to my menu. So here is two posts. I can just save the menu. So we won't be able to see the menu right now because we have not uh, declared the menu in our WordPress theme. But this is basically how it's done. Once we declare that we have a menu, we write the necessary codes for menu, we can see the menu as well. So that's for it, and now you know how to create a new menu. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.